Hello and welcome to the Reed Manufacturing booth at the 2020 BC Waterworks Association virtual show. Reed has been manufacturing high-quality waterworks tools and selling them from coast to coast in Canada since the 1800s. Please click on our videos, check out our links and our website, and if you have any questions or concerns, click on that little link and one of us will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Enjoy, and hopefully we see you in person next year.
Reed has been in business for 125 years. I've been fortunate to be with them for 33 years. And in those 33 years, they have continued to be an innovator on bringing to the waterworks professional the right tool to do the job the right way, to make your work easier and safer. I'm here today to show you some new exciting products, and we're going to use a cordless theme because Reed is going more cordless to make your tools easier for you to work with and adapt from old electric into the cordless. First item I'd like to show you, which has been on the market for a year or so, and many of you have already purchased this and well satisfied, is our pump stick. So many features on the pump stick. Magnets to hold your hose on, no threading. All right, the next thing that we've done is we added extra length hose and we added an adapter so you can attach a 4-foot hose into a 7-foot hose to make 11-foot hose. And if you want, you can add another hose on there, or maybe you want to go 20-foot horizontally. It's all going to be available. One of the nice features on the pump stick is the motor housing actually screws off. You can replace your motor. The filter also screws off. You take your filter out. If it's dirty, you can clean it, or you can add different filter sizes. Stainless steel, fabric, whatever you're trying to filter. Everything is very easy and accessible to you. For a small additional cost, you can change this battery plate and put a Milwaukee or a DeWalt battery plate on, so you can utilize your existing Milwaukee or DeWalt batteries. To power the pump stick, we have done 11 feet vertical. I have some people that have done more than 11 feet, but it's been slow, because when you pump water up vertical, it takes a little bit more power due to the weight of the water than it does running it horizontally. So horizontally, I've had people do up to 30 feet already. Another nice item that is available is our case. If you buy a pump stick, you want to keep it safe. You don't want to throw this into your utility truck and have somebody throw shovels or some other heavy object onto it, so you protect it with your case. Our next cordless tool to show you, which is very exciting, is our PVC cordless beveler. The beveler has a 15-degree router on it. You want to set this on the pipe, and you want to go in a counterclockwise rotation, not clockwise. It'll chatter on clockwise. It is powered by our cordless battery or Bosch system. It has an adjuster on it, so you can set the depth of your plate. You can do 8-inch PVC in approximately 15 to 20 seconds. Now, as a feature, you can use your DeWalt or Milwaukee by using the head. You buy the head separate, but then you're going to have to buy a Milwaukee or a DeWalt grinder to utilize those battery systems. So this portion, which is referred to the head, that is available for you if you want to use your DeWalt and Milwaukee, and you'll have to purchase those grinders. This is the right tool to do the job right. This is the safest way possible to do your beveling on a pipe. This is better than using a side of a chop saw blade, using a rasp file, or a small little grinder. You're never going to get any poor results with this. It's lightweight, it's easy, and again, you're going to use a counterclockwise motion with this. Our next tool I'd like to show you is the hydrostatic test pump. It is small, compact, powered by any cordless drill. Now what's nice about this product is this sets your pressure. This is your intake, so you could use this to drain water from hydrants. You could also use it because of the small diameter in your curb stops on the street. Again, cordless, small utility tool. The other item that I'd like to show you is the heavy-duty hydrant wrench with the ratcheting system. This is an excellent product. Everyone that has purchased this raves about it. You're not going to bend this. The next thing that we're going to go to is an upgrade on our 4-in-1 wrench. We call it the 4-in-1 XP. We put a protective cover on it so that you don't get the dirt in there. An important factor in the use of your reed tools is cleaning and lubing. It only takes a few seconds to lube your tools and clean your tools to keep it easier. On the 4-in-1, for an example, with this opening like this, it gets packed with mud, sand, and debris, and it won't work. A little lubrication actually helps the gear system in there for you. So cleaning and lubing is an important thing. The next product we're going to go to is our cordless. Again, I mentioned cordless power unit for valve exercising. This is powered by a Bosch system only, all right, 18 volt. The counter can set to do your revolutions. No electricity, and the key thing is the weight that we have eliminated for doing valve exercising to this small unit, cordless power. Your valve key comes in various sizes. A pivot head is available. Extensions are available so that you can go different heights down into your valve to the distance which you need, all connecting onto your power head here. To look at Reed improving their quality of their tools, for our plumbers in the Reed Nation, the C cutter has been improved once again. We've made this easier to hold. We have a larger circle ring designating the direction, which has to be clockwise. We added a set 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch is available. Has a higher, deeper rib so you can hold it in tighter places. It comes equipped with our only steel wheel that's famous on the market for the quality. 1 adjustment plate on it for your size. All-in-one cutter, and it's easier to handle with the new rib system on it. The Reed wheel will cut K copper, L copper, M copper, and C PVC. Our next exciting tool, and I leave the best for the last, is our cordless power tapping unit. Again, I mentioned cordless, 18 volt, powered by Bosch. You all know me out there. You've all talked to me over the years. I put you onto the right tools. This is going to make your life easier, my friends. The length and the weight alone is half the size of what you're doing now. The power is unbelievable with the torque off of this die grinder to this power head. I've done 7 taps on 1 battery. 3/4 or 1 inch makes no difference. It's taken me 1 minute to go through the pipe and another minute to do the threading. And we're doing the threading with the machine, not by hand threading it. And safety's first with this. The switch on this power unit is instantaneous. You release it, the power head stops. That is a safety feature. Again, it's cordless, lightweight, length. You all know that your trenches are only this wide. This fits in it perfectly. You're eliminating what? Your generator and electricity. In conclusion, folks, these tools are designed, once again, to make your job easier in your work area every day of your life. We look forward to hearing from you if you have any questions. Thank you again.